Hi, in this video we will learn about the transpose of matrices. This is an operation which is possible because of the nature of matrices. It's a double array, so one can say in simple words, just switch the rows with columns. So put entries of first row in first column and second row in the second column and so on. This operation is called transpose. So let's just define what is the transpose. So let A, which is Aij, be an M by N matrix. Then the transpose of A, which we denoted by A, then transpose, put T up there, is a matrix. Well, first of all, the dimension is n by n with dimensions with n rows and m columns. In other words, the dimensions of a transpose is going to be n by m. If you started with an m by n matrix and then transpose it, then you switch the number of rows and columns. Then the second thing is, how about the entries? So the Ij entry of a transpose is Ji entry of A. So the entry on the ith row and jth column turns into the entry into jth row and ith column. Okay. Well, let's just do simple examples. What is 1, 2, 0, 2? Let me write transpose. Okay, so we start with 2 by 2. So now the result is going to be 2 by 2. But the entry on the first row goes, first row, first column goes to the first column, first row, which happens to be the same place. Entry on the first row and second column goes to the entry on the first and the second row and first column. This goes 0 and then 2. As you can see, we pick a row and just put it in the column. The second row, then we take it and put it in the second column. Well, something like this guy, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, 0 transpose. First of all, the transpose of 2 by 3 matrix is a 3 by 2 matrix. It's going to have 3 rows and 2 columns. What are the rows? Well, the first column goes to the first row. Second column goes to the second row. And that's this. Let me just write one more example. This is easy, nice thing to do. The transpose of this guy. This is what? This is a 3 by 1 matrix. It will turn into 1 by 3, 1, 2, negative. And how about the properties of this transpose? So I will write at least the ones that we have here, properties. One of the key properties of transpose is that, well, if you find transpose of transpose, it means that you once take rows, put in the column, and then take columns and put in the row, you will get back to the matrix itself. This is the first property. Then another thing is that if you adding two matrices and finding their transpose, you can first find the transpose of each one and then add them, which makes complete sense, yes. And the other one is that if you multiply a number to a matrix and then find transpose, the number doesn't have any transpose, so it just transpose goes to the matrix A. And well, we won't use much of these properties. Well, I mean, these are very clear and nice properties. There will be something related to the transpose and multiplication. When we study multiplication, we will study that property too. So transpose, switch rows to columns.